Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's active 14-foot x 36-inch stone slate metal frame pool set. Get ready to have the coolest backyard on the block with the Summer Wave's active 14-foot frame pool set. This pool set has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a filter pump, Type D filter cartridge, repair patch, and ladder. Product benefits: ready for water in as little as 4 to 5 minutes. Durable metal frame features a snap-in design for easy setup. Rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.